So this is really bouncy. Oh my gosh. I'm barely pushing too. I'm not really, but you can see those springs, especially like from this portion back, you really see it deflecting right there. And those should be happy faces, right? So that spring should be up. And it's a little slightly sad faced, right? So overloaded, too much weight. This van, I'm doing a different repair aside from suspension, but I did a bunch of engine repairs. I drove it up the I-17 and back, and it was very windy yesterday. That was the scariest drive I've ever been on.
Pull up to the Benz Shop.
For this one, we have a 2017 Sprinter 2500. The vehicle came in for a service and get everything roadworthy, right? The guy, he travels all over the place. This is his main vehicle where he drives cross country and whatnot. I saw that his suspension, everything was worn out. His shocks were blown, specifically in the rear. They were just completely toast. What I noticed on his rear, his leaf springs were completely bottomed out. They're actually concave facing downwards. For this specific vehicle, the reason for that is that he's overloaded. Inside of the van itself, he's pretty much got a house. He's got bed, he's got the big giant batteries in the back, he's got, you know, a sink, a refrigerator, all that good stuff, so he can comfortably travel for wherever he wants to go. But with that is a lot of weight, too much for the stock leaf springs and stock suspension.
You know, so we can look at it to make sure that you do or don't already have better spring packs, but you know, you shouldn't be able to like just push your vehicle around like this and just have it be shaken like that. That's how compromised it's the spring tension is gone, so now it's just resting all the weight on a failed suspension. Say you pull out of a business and you pull onto the street off the sidewalk and you start driving straight. If you still feel your van rocking while you're driving straight, I mean, you need an upgrade. But Adrian's basically doing this. He's got the same situation on the one he's doing it on. I bet if he went like this on yours, you could probably move it, right? I feel like you could probably move it.
Yeah, we do these a lot. These are very unstable. This is the truck that I'm gonna be doing it on. And the entire truck just kind of moving, you know? On the highway, it's a lot worse. You have all the wind, you have all these cars, all that force is just being put on the truck.
The van is rolling all over the place. I'm like turning up the I-17 mountain and I'm making a left or a right and the wind's catching me. It was terrifying. I mean, these customers just bought this, so they think it's normal, but I had the most freaked out drive yesterday driving this to verify my repair. I mean, it's borderline a safety thing. I shouldn't be able to move it like that, man.
From new with the setup, he would have been all right for a while, but with that much weight for that long, it wears everything a lot faster. So it wouldn't make sense to put new components on it that are the same, rated for the same weights, right? Because the same thing's gonna happen. He's gonna be good for a short amount of time, and then he's gonna start swaying a lot more and more and more. He's gonna feel every bump on the road a lot worse and worse. So what we ended up recommending is he get an upgraded heavy-duty lift kit for this vehicle. New front shocks with coils to help for the assist. And we got on the rear, leaf spring pack, some Fox shocks, some upgraded sway bars, end links. And these are the original stuff right here. As you got a big difference. You see you got a 2-pack leaf spring right here. And this you got 2, 4, 6, 8 right here on this one.
So we have front shock absorbers, brand new ones. Those ones will have some new coil springs that'll go over it. And then these cover up the springs so that it saves the seals from getting all dusty and dirty, prematurely wearing from the elements. There's all our hardware. And then we also get some Fox shocks for the rear to help out the front, or to help out the rest of the suspension. Yeah, so this is all from Agile Off-Road. This is an entire kit from them. You get the front, the rear, the whole 9. I've done a handful of them already.
So then, you know, what's this one got? This one's got 2 leaf springs. decently like thick, but again, it's only 2 springs. We have 9, I believe it's 9. Yeah. So you go from 2 to 9. You need new suspension. You need stronger, stiffer suspension. Not only like for the stability, but then your tire wearing and everything else associated with it. Plus like he can't hook a trailer up to this and tow something. He's just gonna bottom out everywhere he goes. So then it's like you can't tow anything. You can't add any more accessories to the van. You're like tied to what you got.
So you gotta imagine when they buy the Sprinter from the dealer, right? Or typically when they come, they just base. So you have 2 seats in the front, the back is empty. Sometimes they'll come with some rear seats, but besides that, that's it. So it's just a big body with not a whole lot of anything. So it's not a ton of weight. So if you're gonna be using it like that and then load up here and there, this is fine. But when you add as much stuff as he has, you know, like I'm saying, the big battery packs, the shower, all that good stuff, it's a lot of weight.
If you bought one of these, I'd be like, get your suspension upgraded right away. And then you don't have to worry about your stability issue with your suspension. And you could feel stable, because there's like, I didn't feel stable. I felt like I was driving on one wheel, like I'm trying to balance on one wheel instead of feeling that I'm on, well, this one's 6 wheels, but feeling that I have 4 points of contact. I feel like I had 1.
It just makes the ride so much better, feel a lot safer than what they ride now. If you have one of these RVs and your suspension is stock suspension, come and see us and we'll definitely upgrade your suspension, make your ride a lot better and a lot safer.
Pull up to the Benz Shop.